Look at all the days in red. Yikes, right?
Look how much more miserable we were last year, is what you're saying.
This was last August. So last August, 10 record high temperatures. Wow. So many days in the triple digits.
Okay.
All right.
104 is not so bad.
Yeah.
I mean, it still is, but it's not.
Well, today we reached 100 degrees.
But just for a few minutes.
A few minutes, yeah. And okay, so at this point last year, we had reached 107 degrees. Yeah, not the case this time around. So again, yeah, it's early August. We see this type of heat this time of the year. So just settle in, because the heat alerts, that's going to continue. At least through Friday, we have a heat advisory, and this is for a heat index up to 107. Our eastern counties tomorrow will be under excessive heat warnings. So just a heads up, this dangerous heat continues. And there's another look at the hazy horizon in Cedar Hill. Temperature right now of 98, but it feels like 100 degrees. And that haze, like I said, it is still going to be here tomorrow, but it is going to be looking slightly better because of a wind shift that we'll see. So forecast highs for tomorrow, still expecting the triple digits area wide. I'm thinking close to 103 in Dallas, about 104 in Fort Worth. And all of this as high pressure starts to move off towards the west. So this high is actually going to briefly move towards the west as we move into the weekend. It's going to allow a front to come in. That front, unfortunately, ahead of it means warmer temperatures, but it also means a potential for rain, very small potential for rain. So through the weekend, we could pick up a trace to about 1/10 of an inch. This is not for everyone. It's going to be very scattered, and the best opportunity for it lies in our western counties. Let me take you through our time cast. This is for the weekend. I'm taking you through Saturday now. Look at some cloud cover rolling in the morning. I'm going to show you this. This front then arrives in the afternoon. I am expecting to see a few scattered showers, maybe an isolated storm. You know, a lot of the models are starting to back off a little bit on rain coverage. I'm still optimistic at about a 20%. Look at all that cloud cover. So that cloud cover may help keep some locations out of the triple digits if that front arrives earlier than about 4 or 5 in the afternoon. On Sunday, rain chances pretty much go completely away. I do want to give you an update on the tropics. We didn't talk about this in the last half hour, but right now I've got my eye on a disturbance that's over the Caribbean. And what it looks like right now is about 70% chance of development in the next week. I'm thinking by the end of the weekend, we could see our next named storm, the next name, Debbie, on the list. Now we could see this somewhere along the eastern Gulf as we approach early next week. So if you do have plans to head towards the East Coast, that's something to consider. So again, tonight we drop to about 79 degrees, warm, humid. Tomorrow, a heat advisory continues, the heat index up to 107. The temperature could make it anywhere between 102 to 104. And then those triple digits continue this weekend into early next week. I'm thinking that we could see slim rain chances as we approach late next week.